Hello, today I will explain the basics of optical fiber. Before we get to any details, let us ask ourselves, what exactly is it and where does it stand in technology? Well, optical fiber is a way to transmit signal or data by means of light, without any electrical wires, hence the name wireless transmission line. It is a very thin tube made out of a transparent material, which guides light from source to destination. Let us look at the cross-sectional area. The simplest optical fiber consists of three layers: the core, which conducts the light, the cladding, which does not allow the light to escape, and the outer layer, usually referred to as the jacket, which protects everything inside. Optical fibers are remarkable for their ability to transmit line signals along large distances with minimal losses. How? Consider a light ray inside the core, which travels at a small angle relatively to the transmission line. This is normal. It's not realistic to have a light beam perfectly travel along the center of the core. So eventually the ray reaches the surface of the core and tries to escape. But as soon as it encounters the cladding, it fully reflects back into the core and continues its way along the line. This happens because we choose transparent material for the core, glass or transparent plastic, with a higher refractive index than the cladding, usually transparent plastic. This is the phenomenon of total internal reflection. Now, optical fibers are expensive to build and install, so why do we bother? Well, they have certain advantages over using the wired transmission lines, which were invented much earlier. As they say, safety is priority number one. Optical fibers do not conduct electricity and do not present any electrical hazard, which can be important in specific scenarios. Secondly, it is practically impossible to eavesdrop the information being sent along the optical fiber, because one would have to cut into it to read the signal somewhere in the middle. Finally, we're using the light itself to transmit data inside a transparent medium. We can achieve much higher speeds in communications, of course, the speed of light, that is. The disadvantages are simple: the costs involved, the frailty and high protection requirements. Also, transmitting to very long distances can cause some signal distortion. Still, optical fibers are thinner, lighter, and more flexible. Thanks for watching.